Or more. Liana, this really packed a punch, and now something else that's going to pack a bit of a punch.
Yeah, over 180 million people seeing these freezing temperatures, well below freezing. And look how much of the country is in that purple color. Minneapolis, Chicago, Cleveland, New York. Everyone's seeing very cool temperatures.
We're going to break this down straight ahead right here. Right now, I'm meteorologist Chris Warren.
And I'm meteorologist Liana Brackett. Winter storm Stella moving out of the northeast as it starts to dig out. A number of spots seeing feet of snow from the system. So while Winter Storm Stella definitely made her mark, you notice that we do have another round of southern rain approaching the southeast. Now, here's a look at Nashville. We're expecting some thunderstorms to roll in Friday into Friday night, another quick hitter before really clearing out by Saturday. So we're going to take a look at where it's originating at. On water vapor imagery, we're already seeing that little source of energy that's going to be chugging away into the southeast late this week. And here we go. Starting on Friday into Saturday, we're having this upper level disturbance that will be bringing in a cold front on the surface, and that will be bringing in a lot of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico right along that boundary. That's where that area of showers and thunderstorms will be developing, and that will continue into early parts of the weekend. So here's a look at Friday. Here we go. We have rain and thunderstorms starting to spread into Friday night, and now we're starting to see even Charlotte getting a little bit of rain, but mainly Nashville seeing a lot of those scattered thunderstorms popping up. Atlanta, Montgomery, Jackson, you're all seeing some scattered thunderstorms into Saturday. And here's a look at Nashville for that threat of thunderstorms. All right, thanks so much, Carl. So let's go ahead and talk about the southeast cold across the area. No snow, but we did actually get a few flurries across the area. But let's go ahead and talk about this freeze warning that's in effect right now for Nashville, St. Louis, Memphis, Atlanta, all included in that, as well as Charlotte. We also have a hard freeze warning across the Georgia-Florida border, but we still have a lot of cold air influencing the area. We do have a little bit of wedge of warmer air starting to nose in, but that cold air will continue to influence the area at least through Friday. So here's a look at the areas that will be seeing about 15 degrees cooler than what we would normally see for tomorrow morning. Atlanta, Nashville, D.C. all seeing very chilly temperatures. Here's a look at some of them for tomorrow morning. When you wake up in Atlanta, it's going to be feeling like 26 degrees and a little bit warmer as we get into Friday morning. So still to come, Stella's moving out. All right, thanks guys. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the rainy sides to this next storm that'll be impacting the southeast. But first, we're going to see where it originates. And right now we're watching this little pulse of energy heading into the Pacific Northwest. That is setting the stage for the next rainy system late this week into early this weekend for the southeast. So we have this upper level low that'll be adding additional lift, and it'll be bringing in lots of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. With that, we're going to see a boundary of storms developing right along that cold front, and that takes us into Friday into Saturday. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the places that'll be hit by all these storms. We're looking at some thunderstorms across St. Louis, Louisville. By Friday night, we'll see even more showers continue, and it starts spreading a little bit further to the east as we get into Saturday.